सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि विद्यारम्भं विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to the Salangai Puja event. With the abundant blessings of the omnipresent Lord, we begin today's event. Namaskara and a warm welcome to one and all present here. I am Deepika, your host for the evening. We welcome all of you to the 5th Salangai Puja from Sri Nrutyalaya of Kumari Ayushi S. Nair, Kumari Nidhi Hegde, Kumari Kruti P. Jain, Kumari Sanchi Makam, Kumari S. Nitila, and Kumari Saujanya Balaji, disciples of Srimati Ramya Sridhar, founder, director of Sri Nrutyalaya. ಬಂಧು ಭಗಿನಿಯರೇ, ಕಲಾರಸಿಕರೇ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದೀಪಿಕಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನಿರೂಪಕಿ. Let me begin with the introduction of Srimati Ramya Sridhar. Hailing from the temple town of Srirangam in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, Srimati Ramya Sridhar first started learning Bharatnatyam from Kalaimamani Srimati Revati Muthuswamy and later has immersed herself in the art of Bharatnatyam under the esteemed tutelage of the Mukundans at the Salangai Academy of Performing Arts. Proudly known as the first student to perform her Arangetram, she remains a cherished disciple of the Mukundans to date. Her artistic journey has graced prestigious venues in Chennai, including performances during the December music festivals at various sabhas. Srimati Ramya Sridhar has showcased her talent in solo performances at renowned platforms such as Shankarabharanam Trust, Narada Gana Sabha, Mylapore Fine Arts Club, Besant Nagar Temple, and Guruvayur Temple. Regularly participating in the Salangai Natyanjali at Jambukeshwarar Temple and the Natyanjali Festival at Chidambaram, she has also conducted a leg-dem workshop organized by Spik Mekai. Beyond Bharatnatyam, Srimati Ramya Sridhar has captivated audiences with folk dances of India, including Ghumar, Dandiya, Kurati Atam, and more. Adding to her accolades, she holds an MSc in biochemistry, earning the gold medal from Bharati Dasan University. Her remarkable journey in the world of dance has earned her the title Natana Shikhamani, bestowed by Mahan Shri Shri Kripananda Warrior at the Jambukeshwarar Kovil. A big round of applause to Ramya Sridhar ma'am. It's with great privilege I would like to introduce you all to our chief guest, Srimati Medha Dikshit Vellal. Medha is an accomplished Bharatnatyam dancer, choreographer, teacher, and a psychologist. She is an A-grade Doordarshan artist and has performed and conducted workshops at various prestigious platforms across India and abroad. Having done masters in psychology, masters in dance, PGD in choreography, she believes in inclusivity and works with specially abled kids, adults, geriatrics, and women across age groups as she tries to empower and engage them through dance. Along with training many students in Bharatnatyam at her center, Swasti Art Foundation. She has a lot of things, accomplishments, but she's asking me to stop here. Welcome you, ma'am. Welcome you. Now, let's move on to the introduction about the Kalashala. From its humble beginnings as a small dance school with just 3 children on October 3rd, 2012, Shri Nrityalaya has grown into a flourishing banyan tree, now nurturing 50 students of all ages who share an immense passion for dance. The tradition of initiating fresh batches on Vijayadashmi Day is a testament to the continuous growth and commitment to the art. Srimati Ramya Sridhar, in her role as the founder, not only oversees the growth of Shri Nrityalaya, but also performs the Gejje Puja for her students, marking the first step in their dance journey. It is a symbolic gesture that reflects her dedication to cultivating the artistic spirit in each child. In their pursuit of excellence, the students regularly participate in the ABG-MV exams held in April and November. Shri Nrityalaya stands as a beacon, fostering a vibrant community of dancers who not only learn the art, but also carry forward the rich tradition with passion and dedication. Please give it up for Srimati Ramya Sridhar, and Shri Nrityalaya. I welcome Ramya Sridhar ma'am to introduce all of us to Salangai Puja. What is it and why are we gathered today, this evening?
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I welcome you all to the 5th Salangai Puja of Shri Nrityalaya today. 6 children are performing today. The importance of this Gejje Puja, I just wanted to just tell people that it is a ritual that we follow. As a first step, the children are worn the Gejje only today. So they will be wearing their Gejje only today and they are going to perform in front of a small gathering. That is their friends, their relatives and their dear ones. So this is done in order to get ready for their Ranga Pravesha or their Arangetram, which will be done in another year or so. So in this Salangai Puja, they will not be doing all the dance repertoire items, but they will do a few items, excluding the Varnam, which is a major piece in an Arangetram. So they will do as per the Margam, excluding the Varnam. The other pieces will all be done. Only a Padam and a Varnam, they will not showcase it now. But the other items, they are going to do it today. This is the first performance that these children are going to do. There will be 2 performances from the senior children of our school also. That is the last year's Salangai Puja children will also perform 1 item. And recently, June 1st, we had an Arangetram at JSS Auditorium. 4 children, it's a school's first group Arangetram. So those children will also be doing 1 item today. So I need all your encouragement and support for these children who are going to dance today in front of you. So remember, this is the first performance for these children. So kindly support them, kindly encourage them so that they go forward. They just go and do their Arangetram and in their future, they have to do it in many sabhas. Thank you, Rasikas.
Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all are eagerly waiting has finally arrived. I am going to introduce the kids, the Salangai Puja students for today. Before that, I would like to know if we have audiences from all the kids. So please, with a raise of hand, tell me who are here to cheer for Saujanya. Saujanya's group? Yeah, please make some noise. Ayushi? Very good. Nitila? Kruti? Kruti is our front seaters. Nidhi? And Sanchi. Thank you very much. Let me introduce the children. Introducing Kumari Saujanya, a talented 9th grade student at PSBB LLA and the beloved daughter of Srimati Sangeeta and Sri Balaji Srinivasan. Saujanya's journey into the world of Bharatnatyam began at the tender age of 6 under the nurturing guidance of Srimati Pushpalata. Today, she continues to fuel her passion for Bharatnatyam at Sri Nrityalaya under the mentorship of Srimati Ramya Sridhar. She is the elder sister to the little doll Sri Ranjani. Her dedication and hard work were recognized when she passed the Prarambhik exam with distinction, and we eagerly await the results of her Praveshika Pratham exam. Beyond dance, Saujanya embarked on a musical journey, learning Carnatic vocal initially from Srimati Veena Balasai and currently under the guidance of Sri Ramanathan. She has showcased her musical talents in competitions held by Gayana Samaj Bengaluru and Nadharadhana Vidiyanagaram. In her leisure time, Saujanya is a skilled chess player and enjoys playing badminton. Let's applaud this young talent for her dedication, versatility, and achievements across multiple artistic and athletic domains. Please welcome Saujanya. Ayushi. Meet Ayushi S. Nair, a bright and talented 12-year-old student at Clarence Public School, currently in class 7th. Ayushi is the beloved daughter of Nidhi and Satish Kumar, and the younger sister of Mridul S. Nair. Her hobbies include painting and swimming, allowing her to express creativity and maintain an active lifestyle. Ayushi has been training in Bharatnatyam for 6 years under Sri Nrityalaya, demonstrating her dedication to this classical dance form. Her recent achievements include selection for the prestigious All India Spell Bee and calligraphy exams, as well as securing first place in all school sports and athletic competitions. Ayushi S. Nair exemplifies dedication and talent, making her a role model for her peers and a source of pride for her family and school. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ayushi S. Nair. Nithila. Nithila S. Reddy, the daughter of Archana and Sharath Reddy, is a dedicated 7th grade student at Christ School. She has been training in dance under Ramya ma'am for 5 years and recently achieved first grade in her ABG-MV Prarambhik examination. Beyond dance, Nithila enjoys swimming and skating. She is known for her helpful nature and respectful demeanor towards everyone. Tonight, we are excited to witness Nithila's exceptional dance performance. Please join me in welcoming her to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you to kindly maintain silence. Introducing Kruti. Kruti P. Jain, born to proud parents Prashant and Manjula Jain. Kruti is a 6th grade student at BGS National Public School in Bangalore. Kruti has a flair for painting and a knack for shuttle badminton, showcasing her versatility and dedication. She has been honing her skills in Bharatnatyam at Sri Nrityalaya under the guidance of Srimati Ramya Sridhar for the past 5 years. Kruti's dedication and hard work have already borne fruit, as evidenced by her distinction in the Prarambhik examination. Now, eagerly await the results of her Praveshika Pratham examination, confident that she will continue to shine brightly in all her endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for the multi-talented Kruti P. Jain. gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce Nidhi. Nidhi's name is a beautiful blend of her parents' names, Ni from Nitin and Di from Deepika. She is 11 years young, studying in 6th standard in JSS Public School. She is also a loving big sister to the adorable Aditi. She has been learning dance with Ramya ma'am since 5 years. She has completed the Prarambhik exam of ABG MV with distinction and awaiting the Pravesha results. When she is not dancing, Nidhi channels her creativity into painting and drawing, excelling just as she does in her Olympiad competitions, where she has won numerous medals. Her musical journey is equally impressive as she learns Carnatic classical music under the guidance of Vidushi Vasudha Ramu. She is an orange senior belt in karate under the guidance of Mr. Das. However, Nidhi's accomplishments in dance and music would not have been possible without the unwavering support of her grandmother Srimati Nirupama, who diligently picked and dropped her from dance class and music class for many years. And let's not forget her special skill, the uncanny ability to irritate her little sister Aditi and pick fights on any topic under the sun. With that, please welcome Nidhi to the stage. Let's welcome Sanchi Makam, a bright 10-year-old student from Sherwood High School. Sanchi, under the loving guidance of her parents Sindhura and Pradeep Makam, has cultivated a passion for painting, art and craft and swimming. Not just a versatile artist and swimmer, she has continuously participated in Olympiad exams, showing her academic prowess. Moreover, Sanchi's dedication to Bharatnatyam shines through as she has dedicated 6 years to training under Sri Nrityalaya. Let's celebrate this young talent's achievement and commitment to excellence. Please welcome Sanchi Makam. Let's begin today's event. The first performance is Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali is an invocation dance that translates to offering of flowers. The dancers symbolically offer prayers to God, gurus, musicians, and the audience before beginning their performance. Pushpanjali is followed by a Ganesha Shloka and later by the Tishra Alaripu. Today's Pushpanjali is in the raga Sri Ranjani set to Aditala. Alaripu means flowering of the bud. The students learn Alaripu as their first dance item after the completion of Adavus. Samarpana Bhavam is seen in Alaripu as the dancers dedicate their bodies from head to toe in Samam, Araimandi and Murumandi. Alaripu is set in Tishra Ekata. ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೇ, ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿಯು ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸುವ ಆವಾಹನೆಯ ನೃತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂವನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ನೃತ್ಯದ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ನಟರಾಜನಿಗೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ, ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ ಪುಷ್ಪಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿಯ ನಂತರ ಗಣೇಶ ಶ್ಲೋಕ, ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಅಲರಿಪು ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿಯು ಶ್ರೀರಂಜನಿ ರಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಆದಿತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಅಲರಿಪು ಎಂದರೆ ಹೂವಿನ ಅರಳುವಿಕೆ. ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ನರ್ತಕಿ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಅರಳುವುದನ್ನು ಇದು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸಾಂಕೇತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಮಂ, ಅರೈಮಂಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮುರುಮಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಭಾಗ. ತಿಶ್ರ ತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಇಂದಿನ ಅಲರಿಪುವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ.
Before Pushpanjali, we will be doing the Namaskriya. Then immediately the children will start the Pushpanjali.
आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि नुम सात्विकं शिवम् तां तां तकिटजं तों तकिटनं तकिटजं तकिटनं तकिटतां 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 तां तकिटजं ॐ 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 तकिटनं तकिटजं तकिटनं தகிட ஜம் தகிட நம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட நம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட நம் தகிட
ತರಿ ರಜ್ಜಣ್ಣ ರಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ರಜ್ಜಿಮಿ ತಕುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತತ್ತರಿ ರಜ್ಜಣ್ಣ ರಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ರಜ್ಜಿಮಿ ತಕುಂದರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತತ್ತರಿ ರಾಮ್ ಧಣ ತಜ್ಜಿಮಿ ದಜ್ಜಿಮಿ ರೈ ಜಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತದ್ಧಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೊಂ 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 ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ಧಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ಧಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ಧಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೊಂ
தாம் தாம் தகிட ஜம் தோம் தகிட நம் தகிட ஜம் தகிட நம் தகிட தாம் தாம் தகிட ஜம் மூஷிக வாஹன மோதக ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಮರಕರ್ಣ ವಿಳಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಕ ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಮರಕರ್ಣ ವಿಳಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಕ ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಮರಕರ್ಣ ವಿಳಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಪದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
ರಾತ್ ರೈ ರೈಯಂ ತತ್ ರಾಮ್ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ರಾತ್ ರೈ ರೈಯಂ ತಳ್ಳಂಗು ತಕ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ ತೊಂ ತಾಮ್ ಧಿತ್ ರಾಮ್ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ರೈ ರಾತ್ ರೈ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ರಾಮ್ ಧಿತ್ dam geta taga dei dat dei geta taga dam dhit dam dei tat dei 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 dam dhit dam geta taga dei dat dei geta taga dam dhit dam geta taga dei dat dei geta taga dam dhit dam dei tat dei 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 dam dhit dam dei dam dhit dam dei tat 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 dei dam dhit dam geta taga dei dat dei geta taga dam dhit dam geta taga dei dat dei geta taga dam dhit dam dei tat dei 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 dam dhit dam tat dei dam dhit dam dei tat dei dam dhit dam dei tat dei da hat jam dari jaka dari re tadi kita tom taka tadi kita tom taka jiko tadi kita tom ta ki ta dhit taka jiko taka jiko taka dhit taka jiko taka jiko taka dhit taka jiko taka jiko taka da dei tat tam taka dhimi taka jhanno 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 dhimi taka jhanno taka
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. Ladies and gentlemen, our next presentation is Jati Swaram. Alaripu and Jati Swaram are pure Nritta compositions. That is, they do not have bhava and abhinaya portions of the dance. They are composed of core-wise, a set of aduvus set to a particular raga and tala. A Jati Swaram has a Jati and many swaras. Starting with a slow pace, they gradually gain momentum and keep us tapping our feet towards the end. Today's Jati Swaram is in the raga Bhairavi set to the Rupakatala. Jati Swara ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೃತ್ಯದ ತುಣುಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಕಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿವಿಧ ಅಡವುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಅನುಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಜತಿ ಸ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾವ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿನಯದ ಭಾಗ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೋರವೈ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ರಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ತಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಜತಿ ಸ್ವರವು ಭೈರವಿ ರಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ರೂಪಕ ತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग
ಕುಜನಂ ತರಿ ರೈ ತಾ ಕುಜನಂ ತರಿ ರತ ಕುಜನಂ ತರಿ ತಾ ಕುಜನಂ ತತ ಕುಜನಂ ದಳ್ಳಂಗುದ ಹಿತ್ತ ಕಡಕ ತರಿಡತೋಂ ಹಿತ್ತ ಕಡಕ ತರಿಡತೋಂ ತಾ ಕಡಕ ತರಿಡತೋಂ ಕಡಕ ತರಿಡತೋಂ ತರಿಡತೋಂ
सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प द नि सा नी द प म ग रि सा ग रि ग म प ದ नि सा ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ga ri ga ma pa da ni da ni sa ni ni ri sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa ma pa da ni sa ni gari sa ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma gari sa gari ga ma pa da ni sa ma pa sa ma pa ni da ma gari ga ma pa da ni da ma pa pa ni da ma gari ga ma pa da ni da ma pa ga ma pa ni da ma gari ga ma pa da ni da ma pa ga ma pa ni da ma ma gari sa ni ga ma pa da ni sa gari ri sa ni da ri sa ni da pa ma gari sa ni ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma gari sa ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma gari sa gari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma gari sa gari ga ma pa da ni da ma pa pa ga ma ma ri ga ga sa ri ni ri sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ma pa da ma pa pa ga ma ma ri ga ga sa ri ni ri sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri ga ma pa da ma pa pa ga ma ma ri ga ga sa ri ga ma pa ga ri ga ma pa da ni da ba ni da ma ba ni da ba ma da ma ba ga ri pa ma ga ri ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ri sa ni sa ri sa da ni ni sa ni da pa 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 da ni ni sa ri sa ni sa ri sa ni da ni ni sa ni da pa 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 da ni ni sa ri sa ni sa ri sa ni da ni ni sa ni da pa ma ri ni ga ga ma ma pa pa da ni ni sa ni sa ni sa ri sa ni da pa ma pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa
Before moving on to the next item, I would like to introduce the musicians and the vocalist who are playing such melodious music for us and for the kids to dance. Beginning with Vidushi Prasiddhi. Prasiddhi is a student of Carnatic music currently under the tutelage of Vidushi Srimati Anupama Srimali. She has quite a few accolades to her name, including being the winner at Kala Saurabha 2020 National Level Music Competition, annual music competitions at Nada Brahma Kala Kendra and Ragi Gudda Anjaneya Temple, and one of the top 3 singers at Times Nisapa Geet Sangeet competition, to name a few. She is also blessed to have had the opportunity to attend workshops conducted by eminent musicians like Vidushi's Ranjani Gayatri, Vidwan's Trichur brothers, and Vidwan B.S. Purushottam, to name a few. She is formally trained in Bharatnatyam from Ramya Sridhar ma'am herself. Her other hobbies include drawing and painting. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for Vidushi Prasiddhi. Shri Sanat Kumar Naibhi. Let me take a moment to recognize the young talent of Shri Sanat Kumar Naibhi, the violinist of today's program. Shri Sanat Kumar is a devoted disciple of Vidwan Yashasvi Subbarao with an illustrious musical journey spanning 18 years. As a distinguished artist, he achieved distinction in the Vidvat final exam, marking a milestone in his pursuit of excellence. Having graced over 500 concerts, showcasing both solo performances and accompanying various artists, Shri Sanat Kumar is a seasoned performer with a rich repertoire. In addition to his performances, he has dedicated the last 4 years to imparting his profound knowledge of Carnatic violin both online and offline. His teaching endeavors extend globally, nurturing talents of all levels and sharing his expertise with aspiring students worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause for this youngster, Sanat Kumar Naibhi. Prajwal Bharadwaj. Prajwal is a young and upcoming Mridangam artist. He started learning Mridangam at the age of 7, initially under the guidance of Vidwan N.G. Ravi and currently learning under the able guidance of Vidwan N.G. Shashibhushan and Vidwan Anur Vinod Shyam, which has enhanced his skills in playing Mridangam both as an accompanist and soloist. Currently, he is pursuing his Bachelor of Commerce in Christ College. He has given a lot of prestigious performances, which includes the prestigious locations of Sringeri Sharada Peetham, Sringeri, Fort High School, Bangalore, Samagana Sangeeta Sabha, Bangalore, Indian Institute of World Culture, Bangalore, and the list is too long. Prajwal. Besides these, Prajwal has also performed remarkable Talavadyas directed by Vidwan Umayalapuram K. Shivaraman in MLR Convention Center and Talavadyas directed by Vidwan Anuru Vinod Shyam in several prestigious sabhas. He has also won numerous awards and prizes. Best Accompanying Artist from Fort High School, Sharada Yuva Puraskara Award, Sringeri, Young Talent Award from Shiloh Sham Arts Center, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Prajwal. With that note, let's move on to our next performance. Lord Shiva, the cosmic dancer, one who is rightly described as Nirguna, Parabrahma Swarupa, Adigambara, and one who has no past, present, and future. Senior students of Shri Nrityalaya celebrate him on this occasion as Isha, Sabesha, Sarvesha. Yes, you guessed it right. The song is Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho by Swami Dayananda Saraswati in the raga Revati set to Aditala. Ishvara, Shiva, Nirguna Parabrahma, Gangadhara, ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ವರ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಾಮಾವಳಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರ ನಟರಾಜನಿಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ. ಈ ಕೃತಿಯು ಶಿವನ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ರಚನೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದಯಾನಂದ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ರೇವತಿ ರಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಆದಿತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗೊಂಡಿರುವ ಈ ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಲು ಶ್ರೀ ನೃತ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೇಯ. ಮಹತಿ. ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. Gunjan.
कृपा समुद्रं सुमुखं त्रिनेत्रं जटा पार्वती वामभागं सदा शिवं रुद्रं मकररूपं चिदंबरेशं हृदि वेण्णियङ्गिरीशं हृदि भावयामि 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 ओ शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो ओ 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 शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयंभो गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकरा मम भवसागर तारका गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकरा मम भवसागर तारका गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकरा मम भवसागर तारका परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंचरहित निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंचरहित जगुण निहित नितांत नटा निज गुण निहित नितांत नटा निज गुण निहित नितांत नटा आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो ದಿಮಿ 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 ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ಮತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶಾ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷ್ಟಿತ ವೇಷ ಮತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶಾ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷ್ಟಿತ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂತರ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಟೇಶ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂತರ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಟೇಶ ಈಶಾ ಸವೇಶ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ ಮತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷಿತ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂತರ ನೃತ್ಯ ನಟೇಶ ಈಶಾ ಸವೇಶ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಭೋ ಸವೇಶ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ 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 ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ
Mesmerizing performance by our senior kids. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our next performance is Kavadi Chintu. Kavadi Attam originated in Tamil Nadu in a small town called Palani. This song is in praise of Lord Muruga and describes him as a toddler, a handsome teenager, and Adagadaivam who marries Valli. Chindu refers to Tamil poems set to a particular rhythm. Kavadi Chindus are sung by devotees who carry the Kavadi, meaning small palanquins, up the hill as a prayer offering. Adagadaivam Vandu by Periyaswamy Thuran in Chenchuruti Raga set to Aditala. ಬಂಧು ಭಗಿನಿಯರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ಕಾವಡಿ ಚಿಂತು. ಇದು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಗಮಗೊಂಡ ಜನಪದ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಶೈಲಿ. ಭಕ್ತರು ತಮ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಕಾವಡಿ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಉತ್ಸವದ ವೇಳೆ ಈ ಗೀತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಗೀತೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ ಮುರುಗನ ಮಹಿಮೆ, ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಸರಳ ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಪದಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸುಂದರ ಪಲ್ಲವಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಚರಣಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸಿ ಮುರುಗನ ಕೃಪೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾಗೋಣ. ರಚನೆ ಪೆರಿಯಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತೂರನ್, ಚೆಂಚುರುತ್ತಿ ರಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಆದಿತಾಳ. ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ.
அழகு தெய்வமாக வந்து பழனிமலை மீது நிற்கும் ஆதிசக்தி என்னை தந்தவானந்தவன் அசுர தம்பி என்ற வடிவேலு. அழகு தெய்வமாக வந்து பழனிமலை மீது நிற்கும் ஆதிசக்தி என்னை தந்தவா சொல்வேன் கண்டு கூறுமாய வினைகள் யாவும் வெல்வே. குழந்தையாக குமரனாக கோவனாடை துறவியாக கோலம் கொள்ளும் காட்சி என்ன சொல்வேன் கண்டு கூறுமாய வினைகள் யாவும் வெல்வே. இந்த குவலயத்திலோர் கலியுக பெரு பரதனாய் திகழ்ந்தருளும் கந்தனை, குவலயத்திலோர் கலியுக பெரு பரதனாய் திகழ்ந்தருளும் கந்தனை கும்பிட்டென்றன் திணிகள் நீங்கி மகிழ்வேன். உள்ள குமுறலோய்தே நல்ல கதி சேர்வேன். உள்ள குமுறலோய்தே நல்ல கதி சேர்வேன். வடிவமா பிரகாசம் ஜோதி வடிவமாம் பிரகாசம் பூரல் நெஞ்சை நீங்காதென்றும் பங்கு வாசம் வா வா முருகா வடிவேல் அழகா 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 வா வா முருகா வடிவேல் அழகா.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. நீனினைந்தாழகாதது உண்டோ நீனினைந்தாழகாதது உண்டோ நீரஜதளநயனி மகாலக்ஷ்மி நீனினைந்தாழகாதது உண்டோ. O Mahalakshmi, with lotus-like eyes, there is nothing in this world that cannot be accomplished if you will it. Ladies and gentlemen, our next presentation is Devi Stuti by Sri Madurai N. Krishnan in the raga Revati, set to Aditala, praises goddess Durga. She has 18 golden hands, 1,000 eyes, 1,000 names, holds the conch, bow and arrow, and is seated on the lion. If we seek her blessings, she would grant us a prosperous life and free us from all worldly suffering. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ದೇವಿ ಸ್ತುತಿ. ತಾಯಿ ದುರ್ಗಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ರಚಿಸಿರುವ ಈ ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿಯ ದಿವ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಂಹದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನವಾದ ದೇವಿಯ ಅಮೋಘವಾದ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸುವುದು ಒಂದು ಸವಾಲೇ ಸರಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ಮಧುರೈ ಎನ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ರವರು ರಚಿಸಿರುವ ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ರೇವತಿ ರಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಆದಿತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿರುವವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ನೃತ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಸಲಂಗ ಪೂಜಾ 2023 2023 ಸಲಂಗ ಪೂಜಾ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದೇವಿ ಸ್ತುತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ಆರ್.ಎಸ್. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೈಶಾ ಶಿವಗಾಮಿ. ದುರ್ಗಾ. ಆನ್ಯಾ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಕುಮಾರಿ ಸರಯು. ಕುಮಾರಿ ನಂದಿತಾ.
சண்ட முண்டனே சம்ஹாரம் செய்த சாமுண்டேஸ்வரியே அகிலமெல்லாம் போற்றிடும் அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரியே தாச கிருஷ்ண பணியும் துர்கா दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे 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 जय जय दुर्गे 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 जय जय दुर्गे करुणை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे करुणை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் கருணை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் கருணை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் கருணை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் கருணை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे करुणை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे அல்லும் பகலும் உன்னாமம் பாடி 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 அண்டினோர்களை ஆதரிப்பாயம்மா அண்டினோர்களை ஆதரிப்பாயம்மா दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे करुणை புரிய இதுவே சமயம் दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे பொற்கரங்கள் 18 உடையவளே பொற்கரங்கள் 18 உடையவளே ஆயிரம் கண்கள் உடையவளே ஆயிரம் கண்கள் உடையவளே ஆயிரம் நாமம் கொண்டவளே ஆயிரம் நாமம் கொண்டவளே சங்கு சக்கரம் வில்லும் அம்பும் தரித்தவளே சங்கு சக்கரம் வில்லும் அம்பும் தரித்தவளே சிங்கத்தின் மேலே வீற்றிருப்பவளே சிங்கத்தின் மேலே வீற்றிருப்பவளே மங்கள வாழ்வும் தருபவளே மங்கள
ಶ್ಯಾಮಾಭಿರಾಮಂ ನಯನಾಭಿರಾಮಂ ಗುಣಾಭಿರಾಮಂ ವಚಸಾಭಿರಾಮಂ ವಿಶ್ವಪ್ರಣಾಮಂ ಕೃತಭಕ್ತಕಾಮಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಚಂದ್ರಂ ಸತತಂ ನಮಾಮಿ. The concluding dance composition in today's program is the Tillana. Intricate core-wise, Panchanadai, Charanam, and finishing with the Rangakramam, Adavus, are its unique features. The Avatara Purusha, Lord Rama, is celebrated in this Tillana by the students of Sri Nrityalaya. Tillana in the raga Hindolam set to Aditala. This is followed by Mangalam. ತಿಲ್ಲಾನವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ತಿಲ್ಲಾನವನ್ನು ನೃತ್ಯಗಾರರು ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹುರುಪಿನಿಂದ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತಿಲ್ಲಾನದ ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯವೆಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾದ ಕೋರ್ವೈ, ಪಂಚನಡೈ, ಚರಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಗ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಅಡವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಇಷ್ಟದೈವ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ರಾಗ ಹಿಂದೋಳ, ಆದಿತಾಳ. ಬಂಧು ಭಗಿನಿಯರೇ, ತಿಲ್ಲಾನದ ನಂತರ ಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಆಸನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿ ಸಭಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಜರಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತನನ ತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತನನ ತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ತಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ಭವಮಾನ ಸುದುಡು ಪಟ್ಟು ಪದಾರ ವಿಲ್ದ ಮುಲಕು ನೀನಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಕು ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳು ರಾಜೀವ ನಯನ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜಾತಿ ವಿನುತಮೈನ ನೀನಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಕು ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳು ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಭ್ಯಃ ಪರಿಪಾಲಯಂತಾಂ ನ್ಯಾಯೇಣ ಮಾರ್ಗೇಣ ಮಹೀಮಹೇಶ ಓ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೇಭ್ಯಃ ಶುಭವಸ್ತು ನಿತ್ಯಂ ಲೋಕಾ ಸಮಸ್ತಾ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು ಲೋಕಾ ಸಮಸ್ತಾ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು ಲೋಕಾ ಸಮಸ್ತಾ ಸುಖಿನೋ
Excellent, ma'am, excellent. They performed very well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That was Sanji's grandmother. Yes. Want to speak? Yeah, please. Please say your name.
So, this is Bharatwaj, and I'm an engineer. This was an awesome program. So, my sister participated in this, and it was glorified. We saw every Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, all were here, and it was amazing performance by those charms, and all the best for their futures. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for speaking. Jyoti, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
It was a fabulous performance. First time I have seen this performance. All the best for the futures, all the kids.
Thanks, Jyoti. If anyone else would like to say a few words, yes, please.
It was a delightful performance for me as it was a first experience. Thank you. Chaitrika.
Thank you so much. Who else? Sir, would you like to say a few words?
ನಾನು ದೀಪಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ.
Thank you so much, sir. Please give a big round of applause for our chief guest, our ma'am, and musicians on stage. our stage with your presence today. We would like to hear a few words from you, please.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನೀವು ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನಂದದಿಂದ ಕೂತಿದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರುವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ರಮ್ಯಾ. ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಫೆಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. It's not easy being a teacher. I know what effort it takes to train so many students. Ashtu neatagi, ashtu angashuddhili, aramandili, their tattu mettus were so perfect. Third speed al tattu mettu madad sulba alla, and they executed it really well. At this stage, all credits goes to Ramya, and your Natvangam was so good. Idralli Revatinalli, at one point, I think there was some confusion, but the way she picked up was amazing. Very nice. On music, I know Prajwal quite well. Nan program go ella nutsidane. Very, very talented boy. It's so nice to see youngsters coming forward and taking music full time. Sanat, it was very nice. And Prasiddhi, beautiful singing, congratulations. We need more youngsters to come into dance field, take up music dance full time. Of course, I want to congratulate all the parents for encouraging them, because it's no joke. I know all parents are working, correct time karkond hogbeku, karkond barbeku, and especially when there are events like this, teachers will take parents to task. Spend more time, bring them every day. So it's very heartening to see parents are encouraging children and giving into what they want, because this was not the case about 2-3 decades ago. So apart from that, I just have one thing to tell. Dance is not just about performance. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಯೋಡೇಟಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ it is meant for. It should become their best friend. They are growing up with it. Allow them to develop a relationship with that art form. 10th bandru, let them take a break. 12th bandru, let them take a break. I mean, do we take break from friends? Please don't do that to your kids. Encourage them. Allow them to continue, whether they take this as profession or not. Please encourage them to have that with them all through their life. This is the best gift you can give to your kids. And you've started with that. Don't disconnect. Because I know what all teachers face with this. So it's a very humble request with this. I'm grateful to Ramya and all the parents for inviting me here. It was a beautiful evening. Thank you. Shubharatri. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am.
Indeed, we have to encourage them even after 10th, 12th. Yes. Very right, absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. So we shall next felicitate our young vocalist, Prasiddhi. I would like to invite on stage Ayushi's parents to felicitate our young singer, Prasiddhi. On stage Nithila's parents to felicitate our mridangist Prajwal Bharadwaj. I would like to next invite Saujanya's parents on stage to felicitate our violinist Sanat. Now we are going to felicitate the Guru herself, Ramya Sridhar. I would like to invite all parents on stage, please, to felicitate Ramya Sridhar ma'am. Please give a big round of applause for Kruti. To call upon Nidhi Hegde on stage. I would like to call upon stage Shri Nrityalaya students who helped us today. The volunteers, please. Ramya ma'am's daughter. And our little young girls on stage who are volunteering today from the dance school. Ladies and gentlemen, an event like this have many people working really hard at the background. It's time to felicitate our technicians who have worked at the background. It's time for them to come on stage. I would like to invite on stage the makeup artists. The reason why the girls are looking so beautiful today. The makeup artist on stage, please. I would like to invite Kruti's parents on stage. I stayed until the end of the event to make sure any problem with the kids with respect to makeup, hair, she's there. Please give him a round of applause. He's been capturing us this evening. I would like to invite Mithila's parents on stage to felicitate our caterer tonight, Mr. Girish. Sir, please come on stage. Next, we would like to felicitate music and sound, Praveen ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಕರೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲಿನೂ ಈವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ ಕರೆ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್.
And this is for the anchor of today, Nidhi's parent, who has readily accepted to do this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Please have dinner. Thank you very much.